so now we're ready to put our radio stream into a IMVU product. If we have a look at the Winamp, it is still playing, it is still streaming, and if we have a look over here at the Shoutcast server, it is saying connected. It's even have some history of me trying to connect and disconnect, so it even sees my own IP address coming in and out. So now let's have a look at the player. This is one of many players, and as you step on, if you step on it, it starts playing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to change the channels for this player, so that we only have the one channel, which is your own channel. Okay, so here we go, back to the product page. On his product page he tells you a lot of information, this guy, and one of the things is he tells you how to make it so only your channel is available, and this is quite important. You say you change the override attribute to true, yes, or 1. Okay, so let's download this channels file. Let's go back and okay, save link as, and I'm just going to override the existing one. And now I'm just going to open that up. Open folder containing, and I'm going to open up in Notepad. I showed you how to find the Notepad earlier in the earlier video, so here we go. You've opened it in Notepad, and first we see genres, which is an element, and we see 2 of them. We only need 1, and we only need 1 channel. So we remove the unwanted elements, and we want to change this to true, because this is going to mean only your radio station will appear in the player. For design purposes it might not look that great, but to make sure that this is the only radio player that people can access in your room, you need to do this. Okay, so now before we had made a private playlist for the so you could listen into the this radio station. So I'm going to go back to that playlist that we downloaded, and here it is. I'm going to open that into Notepad. And here we have the address that we established that this was the address, and including the port number. So we're going to highlight all this, copy it. We're not going to paste it. We're going to copy it, and we're going to go back to our channels, and we're going to go and take out its URL, and we're going to replace it with our own. There we go. I'm going to save that. Okay, that's saved. So now back to IMVU. If I can ever find the IMVU, here it is. Okay, so now we want to go into the flash settings over here. So we go from config, from mesh we go to config, and here is the flash settings over here, and we want to add our own channel list now. So it's already on my downloads folder. We're going to switch this to all files, so it will allow you to upload the channels list. You then apply the changes, you save the changes. Oh, and you want to switch this back to the flash player, so apply the changes again, save it, and we're going to come out so we can allow the whole flash player to reset. Now if we click on this, we should hear the metal music that is playing on my Winamp. And there you go. And that's how you do it. That's how you get your own radio station broadcasting on IMVU. Very quick, very easy, very simple. Hope you enjoyed the video tutorial, and please stay subscribed.